This is a 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport, and we are about to go and upgrade the little baby horns that come with this thing. They're pretty much a joke. We're going to be putting in these 6-speed 118 decibels. Went online, did my homework on them, and hopefully I can share what I'm learning with you guys. The horn in the Santa Fe, there's two horns, a high and a low. They're right inside the grill on the bottom. You can see them right there. They come pre-wired. I'll do a couple videos, I'll put them together. Right now I know I have to take the complete bumper off, which requires me to go right behind this wheel well. There's a bunch of bolts that are back in here. They go behind this guard. It'd be easier if I take this tire off, put it on stand. So I'll show you how I did that. Then you'll have to remove all the bolts and retainer pins right up on top. So we'll show you how we did that in a little bit. Alright, thanks. Part 2, Hyundai Santa Fe Sport, taking off the front bumper, replacing the horns. What you're going to need to do to get the space that you need. For me, I took the wheel off because there is a bolt all the way inside. Up in top here, there's a bolt. 10mm needs to come off. Then all you do on the bumper is lift up and out, and the bumper will come off. As long as you've removed everything up top, it'll get you to this horn that's sitting right down here. Alright, more to follow. Number 3, we finally got the bumper off. I didn't have to take the other wheel off, but there is a bolt that's bolted in right here, and if you can get a screwdriver through the side here, you can get to this 10mm bolt on both sides to get the bumper off. And like I said, you have to lift up to get the bumper off. That and all these nuts will pop it off. Once it's off, the horns are here and here, here and here. So I'm about to remove those and connect my new horns. Number 4, just want to show you can tell this is the low. It has an L right here, and then on this one, this is your high. It has an H right here. They each come with a different kind of connector, so you're going to have to cut the wires and splice in 2 female connectors to connect in onto the actual horn. This is the sound of the current OEM Hyundai 2017 Santa Fe Sport horn. Once you release the 10mm bolt from here, it'll look like this for the low on the top. And you'll have your wires, and you're going to need to go ahead and clip these because you're not going to need these wires. Once that comes out, the new 6-speed is going to fit right here in the same spot as the old one. There's the bracket, should fit here. If not, you can replace it with the bracket off the old one. You can remove the bracket off of this one and put it on that one. I just tested the diagram here, and without the wire relay, works perfect. I just tested it, enough power, horn sounded good. So this is the way I'm going to wire it up, but I'm going to use the existing wire. I'm going to put 2 extensions to this on because these are not long enough to connect to the new one. I'll extend it out, and I'll put 2 female butt connectors onto the tips, and you'll be able to hear it. Here's the wire extensions that I used from the cabling kit that came. I didn't need it since I'm wiring it up directly. So I have my 2 grounds and 2 powers that I'll be connecting in here in just a second. So I'll wire it in, bolt fits in. Go hit one more time. Both are wired up now. I got the clamps to it. Bolted in here on the left. I've only needed to connect the same 2 wires. I extended them both, connected them in, bolted at the bottom, and now you'll be able to hear the 6-speed. My ears are still ringing to my ears.